Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Telegram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then get into settings, and right here you can find privacy and security. Just get into it, and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find that feature. Just under the automatically delete my account, you can find the settings that controls the amount of time. If you do not come in line for that time, by default it's 1 year, your account will be deleted. So even if you forget your account password and you do not come in line for that period of time, you can be sure that after that time has passed, your account will be deleted. But if you want to delete your account manually right now, you can tap that option, and among these options you have to select delete account now. Just in that way. Right here it offers you some different options that you can use instead of deleting your account. You can change phone number, you can add another account to Telegram app, you can change your privacy settings, set a passcode, clear cache, clear synced contacts, or you can quickly delete all your chats. Also, you can contact Telegram support if you got any questions, and on the last position you can find delete my account feature. You can tap on that, then confirm the deletion, and after that your Telegram account will be permanently deleted. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.